Welcome to this week's video of N.E.S.T Kids. I'm Kathryn and today I'll be teaching you how to make 2 really exciting Halloween crafts. So, hope you enjoy. Halloween is a festival celebrated on the 31st of October in many countries around the world. Halloween may be linked with a festival over 2,000 years ago where people celebrated the end of summer and the beginning of winter. Pumpkin carving, apple bobbing, parties, dressing up, eating sweets, chocolate and cakes, and trick-or-treating are all popular things to do on Halloween. And some people have even started buying costumes for their pets. All you'll need for this is a piece of white paper, a pen and some scissors. Fold the corner of the paper down, like I'm doing now. Turn the paper over and fold it back on itself. Press down with your finger along this line. Make a small rip at the top of the paper and tear down. If you can't do this, use a pair of scissors along this line. Now we're left with a square piece of paper. Turn your paper towards you like a kite or a diamond. Take the corner and fold it in so it goes along the middle. And the same on the other side. Take the top corner and fold it back down. Do the same on the other side. Now turn over your paper and fold these 2 little corners in. Now fold each corner down like this, so it meets at the middle. And the same on the other side. Fold the top down just a little bit. Fold the top down and then back on itself. Leaving a little gap of about a centimetre. Turn your piece of paper over and fold the bottom piece of paper up a little. And now it's time to decorate your ghost. You'll need a piece of square paper, white on one side and black on the other. You'll also need a pair of black wings and 2 little eyes. Fold the paper in half, like so. Take the top and fold it back down towards you. Fold the inner corners in and on the other side. Fold them back out again and fold all of the paper up to the top. You're going to be making a little diamond, and do the same on the other side, making sure they meet in the middle as much as you can. Just like this. Now onto the tricky bit. Unfold the piece of paper you've just folded down and find the little envelope and the little gap. You're going to want to tuck the top of this piece of paper, the black piece of paper, into the hole of the white piece of paper. Just like this. Do the same on the other side. And that's your back bookmark done. All you need to do now is decorate. Pop some glue at the edge of the wings and stick them behind your piece of paper. Just like this. Do the same for the other wing. Now it's time for some eyes. All done. Now grab your favourite book and see if it fits. That's all we've got time for today. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next week. Bye bye.